Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel known as with Mahesh. My professional cloud DevOps engineer certification expired on 9th of September 2025, so a day back. So I thought let me go back and renew it because I get an option of 60 days as a grace period. I should be able to do it is my understanding, so I thought of doing it. So what I did is I went to the official website and basically wanted to register it. So when I clicked on register, I got information saying that the web accessor, the site which basically Criterion maintains, is down. So it's purely a kind of a coincidence. So I wanted to take a DevOps engineering certification. It's a recertification, and the website in which where I had to register is down. So I thought let me use some of my DevOps skills here. If they should not have done this, is there any other way? So basically it's the type of deployment which we can choose. So in our channel itself I had posted almost like 3 years back the different types of strategies. So this should work for any type of compute option, whether it is compute engine, Kubernetes engine, cloud run, app engine, any kind of stuff, it should work. So rolling update, recreate, blue green, canary, A/B testing. So some of the deployments I had discussed. So and even the gist page basically we have it. So if you want, you can basically go and look into it, the canary one. So if you open the video, you should be able to see the thing. So it's a canary deployment here, and blue green deployment. So if I go back to the little older gist page, this is recreate. So according to me, what they have done so far is completely deleted all the existing stuff. They are going to roll out a new one. So this deployment strategy is what you can see. So that is the reason why we see this kind of stuff. So now going back, should we use recreate, should we use rolling update, should we use blue green or canary? I would say in a very simple way, it totally depends on the business use case. They could have done some kind of a simple changes, right, where without any kind of a downtime they could have done it. So their rolling update would have been a better choice. So if we see, they have literally shut down their website for some maintenance, meaning there are some major updates. That could be some of the possible reason is what I feel. So in this scenario, basically they are somewhat doing very much close to the recreate, meaning the existing thing is completely down. They have put a page, or this is a more of a very traditional way of doing it. So even blue green is something possible. So blue is the old one, green is the fresh new one. So once they roll it, basically they will remove the page, and if you observe it, the URL is also totally different. So they have used the DNS to do the mapping. So usually I don't recollect the URL actually, but when the website is up, you can also go back and try registering and you will see it is a different URL. So they are using the DNS one, so meaning it's not even hitting the actual website. So they are doing behind the scenes. So it's purely a DNS mapping is what they have done it. So kind of a redirect to a maintenance dot webassessor.com is what they are using it. Usually it is like webassessor.com kind of a stuff. It's a subdomain. So if we just go here uh, and look into it, we should be able to see basically they are using AWS. That's the point. You can see CloudFront. So there is good amount of stuffs. Now if I remove it, if I am not wrong, it was basically, or it is basically webaccessor.com is the main one is my understanding. So this is the one. So they have done a redirect so that they never hit the actual website. They do all the changes behind the scene. They test it. Everything is good, and they may change back the DNS. So this is another approach is what I would say, where the end users never hit the actual website. We do the redirect. So maybe let's just give a try where we just try to do this one. So it is going. Let's see what is the one which shows. Okay, this is the main page actually, looks like. So usually it is like slash Google or something like that is what it shows. So I don't recollect the. This is the one. Maybe this one specifically slash Google Cloud. It looks like it is going. Okay, I'm not sure. They have done it something correctly. So people who create it from here, they are getting a maintenance window, and I looks like I had visited this website before. So now it is basically showing this page. So I can log in and I can try to register is what I can see. So let me just pause and try to log in and see if I can register. Okay, I have successfully logged in. You can see my name, and that was the same thing which was showing even here. So it's my own certification. So I'll go to web accessor, access web accessor. Okay, and they have mentioned something here. So there's a maintenance window on 9th, so they have not done it. So if I just go back, you can see it. So it will be unavailable is what they are saying. So what is the current time? Current MST time. So it is 10 p.m. So as per their thing, it is 9 p.m. Maybe they're doing a test behind the scene. Behind the scenes. So if everything is good, they may basically remove that page. But since the URL I had it already with me, so looks like I had visited once. So return back to dashboard. So let me try registering it and see if I can book. So I go to basically web accessor, access web accessor. It should show my basically the DevOps piece because it was expired yesterday. So let me try to renew it. So search for, I would prefer to go to a center because in a simple terms, I would say it is like, if you go to center, it is more like serverless. Everything the center is going to take care. But if you do it from home, you have to take care of lots of stuff, the internet, the laptop, the camera, lots of stuff. So, okay, this is the one. So it is, I'm going to go with the on-site one. So it's going is my understanding. So since this is my second time, so I'm going to basically use the token and basically register for it. So that's what I'm going to do it. So there was a small thing which I thought of sharing it. So a kind of a coincidence, like how people can have some kind of a maintenance window and how they can do it. So purely here it is a kind of a DNS mapping, and looking at it, basically I don't see there is any kind of rolling update recreate kind of an option which they have implemented. So it was completely a like a unplanned video. I just thought, so I thought of sharing it, and because it was more of DevOps related stuff, so I thought of sharing it with you. So let me know your comments and feedback. Thank you for watching.